Morning, everybody. A beautiful Monday here in Minnesota. Sean Comerford from overseas wanted to see how we plastic off windows here. So I am on a house that's actually in need of some plasticing off of windows. I just thought I'd hop in real quick, plastic one off, and show you how it works. Now, there's an air conditioner running behind me, so the sound is going to be great. So I'll describe what I'm going to do, show you my tools, and then I'll just get up there and do it. So number one, painter's tool right here, cleaning brush, razor knife, utility knife here. We got 3M blue tape. I like 1.5 inches for this sort of stuff. I got my little kit around my waist here. 3M hand masker, 1.5 inch blue tape. For this one just happens to be loaded up with 6 foot. 4 foot would probably be more appropriate, but we don't use a lot of 4 foot for this sort of thing. And I just put a little chain hook on here too. Once some of these come with those handles here. So I'm going to get up there. What I'll do is you go across the top first, you rip off your piece of plastic, and this is collapsible plastic, so you pull it down. And the key to doing this and not having the wind, it's actually a little bit windy this morning, and not having the wind take your stuff away is I tack it down in each corner, cut the slack off, and then I complete the rounds like that. So we'll get it going here. There you go, one window down, many more to go.